In this episode, we're going to look at how to import textures. Here I have a single still image of a fireball. The first step is to save it inside Content, and then Textures. The program is built on top of Monogame, so we still use the Monogame content pipeline as the base building block for loading textures. Open the pipeline, add an existing item from the Textures folder, select the fireball, and then recompile our resources. At this stage, Monogame still requires you to load the texture and store it inside a variable. However, the engine supports automatic texture loading. Let's open the Entity Editor and view a texture renderer component. If we replace the texture name with Fireball, we can see our texture appear since it's automatically been added to the Asset Manager. The default name for a texture is just the name of the file path, and you can modify that in code if you need to. We can also access textures in code. Let's change the player's onUpdate function. When we press space, we're going to change our player's texture to the fireball by calling assets.getTexture and passing in the name of our texture, fireball. Open the editor and play the scene, and then we can see it in action. Imported textures also support scaling and rotation just as normal, so if we add a spin component and then play the scene, we can simulate an animated fireball.